Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the LC error code on Samsung dishwasher in 2026. So first of all, we need to understand one thing. The LC code stands for leak check. So your dishwasher has a sensor at the bottom that detects the water. If it senses moisture, it stops operation to prevent the damage. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to start by turning off the dishwasher and then unplug it. Carefully pull the unit slightly forward and check underneath. Now, if you see the water in the base, that's what triggered this particular error. Now, if there is moisture inside, you will need to dry it out. For that, simply tilt the dishwasher slightly and use a cloth or towel to absorb the water. You can also let it air dry for a few hours. Once dry, the sensor should reset automatically. Now, you need to also take a look at the cause of the leak. For that, you need to simply inspect the water inlet hose or drain hose or any kind of internal seals. Even a small leak can trigger this LC error. Now, too many dishes or too much soap can also cause the overflow or foam leakage. So make sure that you use the recommended detergent amount and avoid blocking the spray arms. After fixing the issue, simply plug the dishwasher back in and you just have to power it on. You can then leave it unplugged for about 5 to 10 minutes to fully reset the system. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.